I'm not playing anymore.
Come on.
Please, Chris.
I got perfect.
You should have put Thriller on for Chris.
I think we need to
After
see
this
you do Thriller.
Fuck off. I don't even know what I'm doing.
You're doing very well. You got perfect.
I don't know how to do that shit. You take a video, you prick. Fuck you.
Oh.
YouTube moment.
No, you can't put it up there.
Yeah,
You
it's
can't.
on YouTube.
I got perfect. Fuck you, another one.
Yeah, but I'm the master of this game.
Stop taking a fucking video, you prick. I can do that so much easier. You don't get okays?
You should put Thriller on for Chris.
Wait a minute, because I want to win.
I think you've won, Chelsea.